Let's get started with SketchUp, and in this lesson we will see some of the basic interface about SketchUp, where are all the tools available and what are the things that we can do with SketchUp. And so let's get started with SketchUp. So now this is basically the SketchUp interface, and before you get started, if you go to the SketchUp website, I'll show you how to download it. So if I actually go to the SketchUp website, so now if you see, this is basically the website for SketchUp where you can download this one. And what you can do is you can actually start modeling using the web interface, which we will see it later down the track. But there is also an option to explore plans up here, or you can click on plans or pricing, so which basically takes you to the sort of similar interface. And if you go there, it shows you if you go annually, this is basically the price per month, and for pro account and things like that. There are a lot of different options. You can choose which one you go for it, and then go for it. And so most cases, once you are here, you can start a free trial. So click on it, and there is no credit card needed. You just give your email and then start a free trial. And so pretty much once you are here, and then download the desktop version and then install the desktop version, it is going to ask you whether you want to install V-Ray. So if you want to practice V-Ray as well, I suggest you guys can do it. But V-Ray, you may have to get the trial from V-Ray separately. That's for 30 days. So so initially my suggestion is, like, for the 7 days to trial that you're going to get, practice SketchUp with everything that we're going to show in this tutorial. And probably when you're going to do the advanced tutorial, probably you get the V-Ray version of it. Okay, it's not a version, basically you get the V-Ray license as well, trial license to get that started. Okay, so after you done with this one, you get the SketchUp and you install it. And once you install it, you're going to have an interface. And initially what happens is, so you will have almost all of these tools. I'm going to reset all. So most cases, if you see, like, most of these tools will be missing. So it will be like a very simple interface as you come into SketchUp. So the first thing that you have to do is understand the user interface of it. So on the top left, we'll see the menus. So first one is a file. You can open a new file, you can open a new template, and you can open an existing file and save as, and all of these options. And we will go through some of these ones at later tutorial on how to import, export, and what is a 3D warehouse, and all of these ones. Okay. And the next one is an edit and view. So you can change the view of how you want it, and then cameras, and then basic drawing objects, and then tools. You can turn on and off these tools and use them, and then window, and then extension. And SketchUp has got a wide array of extensions that you can actually find from a lot of other developers as well. And so it extends basically what standard software is offering. It's going to be a pretty good use. And the first thing I want you guys to do is get yourself familiar with the interface. And this is like a traditional interface where the AutoCAD interface used to be like this, with a lot of tools around it, and now they switched to ribbon interface. But I'm actually a fan of this sort of interface, so where you see most of the tools that's visible up here, and you can easily go and select them. And so on the right side, we have the panel. So in the panel, we actually select and apply materials, component styles, and a lot of these things. It's like a standard thing. You can manipulate the objects for those. And then we have the tools that's displayed up here. And this is not all the tools. And to get all the tools, I suggest this one. You do it. Click on toolbars, view, click on toolbars, and then I want you to select everything. Make sure that you select everything. So the reason being is, like, I want you to see all these tools while we are working on this tutorial, and we will be practicing with almost all these tools. All right, so that's basically the interface of SketchUp. And the next one, we'll go through understanding how to start creating some primitive objects and navigations and stuff. Okay, we'll see again in the next lesson. Thank you.